equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely disassembling your laptop without causing any damage. Start by powering off your HP OMEN 15AX and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located at the base of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back cover is off, you will see the internal components. It's crucial to take a moment to clean the internal area using compressed air. This will help remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated, ensuring a clean working environment. Now, locate the motherboard. You will need to disconnect several cables and components attached to it, including the battery, RAM, and any other peripherals. Be gentle while disconnecting these components to avoid damaging the connectors. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the situation before proceeding. After disconnecting everything, you can unscrew the motherboard from its mounting points. Make sure to keep track of the screws, as they can vary in size. Once the motherboard is free, inspect it for any visible damage, such as burnt components or broken traces. If you notice any issues, you may need to replace specific parts. If you're unsure about the extent of the damage, consider our quote before repair service, which provides you with an estimate before any work begins. This way, you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Next, if you need to replace any components, ensure you have the correct parts on hand. You can source these from reputable suppliers or contact us for assistance. We also offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get the parts you need without the hassle of traveling. Once you have the necessary components, it's time to reassemble the motherboard. Carefully place it back into the chassis, ensuring all connectors are aligned properly. Reconnect the battery and any other peripherals you had previously disconnected. Before sealing the back cover, it's a good idea to power on the laptop to check if everything is functioning correctly. If it powers on without issues, you can proceed to screw the back cover back on. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you every step of the way. Finally, clean the exterior of your laptop to give it a fresh look. Regular maintenance can prolong the life of your device, so consider scheduling periodic checkups with us. With these steps, you should have successfully repaired your HP OMEN 15AX motherboard, restoring it to full functionality. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.